4 बजे से घूम रहे, रात से तड़प रहे।
पच्चीस साल का लड़का था मेरा बेटा, एक ही औलाद मेरे थी भैया, मेरे आगे पीछे कोई नहीं।
As a doctor, we were very used to our routine job, our routine practice, and we know that we had a schedule. And we were always working with certainties. But the pandemic pushed us off from our comfort zone, and now on a day-to-day basis, we have to fight these uncertainties, which the pandemic brings with it. From an institutional perspective also, the pandemic thrown so many challenges which we had to face on a day-to-day basis. For example, we will never know when the second wave was going to come and at what rate the case numbers are going to increase. So our main hope is the vaccine. The vaccine rollout is happening excellently throughout the country, which is very good. But then at the same time, there is always this possibility of new vaccine escape mutant coming and causing another pandemic.
Challenge was there when we're dealing with the elderly people suffering from comorbid conditions. Challenge was there when we were treating the youngsters and severe acute infection. Challenge was there when we were wearing a PPE at a 40-degree temperature, taking a round for 4 to 5 hours, sweating all over, still managed to hold on. Challenge was many.
Yes, it's been difficult and challenging being a doctor in pandemic time. Not because it was hard work, not because there were long hours. I knew there are many people who need my help. It was worrying that there are people who will not be with their family if they are not taken care in time. It's been challenging for everybody, for whole of the humanity. We stood firm and will face the challenge if ever it comes again.
One of the key challenges that I had, especially managing the second wave of COVID-19, was difficult. It was difficult for us to keep the tempo up. The disease was more aggressive, the numbers were shooting up. So all these were the challenges that we had, which was new. It was different from the first wave.
The good news is, yes, we are at the end of the second wave of COVID pandemic. But we have had several challenges as an oncologist while we treat cancer patients. The most important challenge we have had is treatment delays. The patients who were diagnosed early in pandemic actually waited for things to normalize before they come to us. This led to states which were incurable, advanced malignancies, and some doing really bad.
During the second wave of COVID, one of the biggest problems that we faced was when we are treating our patients with blood disorders such as thalassemia and blood cancers. Most thalassemia patients needs blood transfusion every 2 to 3 weeks, and with the second wave they had lots of problems because they couldn't access their usual units where they get blood. Similarly, with many of our blood cancer and other oncology patients, with the lockdown and difficulties with transport and with the epidemic which was causing panic and problems everywhere, many of them were very scared to come and start treatment.
The second wave has brought umpteen challenges to the doctors. In the first wave, losing your colleagues to the pandemic. In the second wave, the fear of reinfection. And then the agony of losing your loved ones. The entire burnout due to extremely long working hours. And then finally, violence on doctors and nurses due to some irrational relatives.
Unlike during the last wave, this time the load of seriously ill COVID positive patients increased very rapidly, and the number of calls for help we received every single day was much higher than we received during the last wave. The big challenge we faced was to accommodate these patients, which fortunately was possible this time around in Mumbai because of the provisions made by the municipal corporation. Last few weeks have been better, and healthcare professionals are getting the much needed respite.
It was a psychological trauma also, not for the doctors, but patients and relatives also. and doctors also were very afraid of the infections, plus the working in PPE kit, where they were feeling, some doctors even they felt breathlessness and hypoxia type of situation, but they worked